then restore and remove this line and paste this line over there. Okay, save this file and also copy folder. Okay, this folder is, I already have the control file access on the same location. Okay, so in my second standby set I will create the other directory for standby set. In this standby set I use the same directory. Okay, okay, let's review the restore commands. Okay, now execute it. Let's go move on the logs folder. Now monitor rman restore log. Now backup is restoring. On my standby one. You see the other log also showing the same messages: full restore complete for data file 12 7. So you have to monitor your alert log as well if any critical for the any critical errors. This now restoration is working fine. Okay, now it's applying the archive files. Now archive files are also applied successful. Now backup has been restored on standby 1. Now let's move on the standby 2 side. Okay, so we have to do the same practice on the standby side 2 side. Okay, backup location. Backup is already being copied on the standby 2 side. Let's check the oracle underscore sid. This is standby 2. Okay, echo dollar oracle underscore home cp this file to oracle home dbs location on same location. Okay, now to just open this file level 10p file. Just remove these parameters because I copied this file from my primary machine. Okay, let's change the primary to stb2. Okay, so now there I'm also changing the control file location. Okay, so I'm using stb2. Okay, I can do this. stb2. Okay, stb2 for the fast recovery area. Okay, I just create db file destination also stb2. Okay, we can also define db unique name on this file. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let's copy this named file parameter. Come on, static dot db unique name is equals to okay stb2. Okay, so we can also change db unique name in this file as well. Okay, so need to change this dispatcher service name stb2. Okay, and then archive locations stb2. Okay, stb2 db name should be same for all databases. Okay, db unique name should be different for standby and primary. Okay, so let's review it again. Okay, Now save this file. Just move file name to init stb2 dot okay. So just cat this file. So I have to create this ADUM folder mkdir minus p. Okay. Okay, now I also have to create these folders as well. mkdir minus p. Okay. Archive, recovery, stb till mkdir minus p. Same name. Okay. Also need to create this file tree mkdir minus p. Okay. Flash recovery area already created. I also need to create the archive directory mkdir minus p. Alright, so let's move next. Now open the database SQL plus /sysdba. Now startup, no amount. Also no need to open the other log for this as well. user1 app Oracle diagnostic. Okay, RDBMS. Okay, stb2. If you see the in this standby database only stb2 directory created because we change the db unique name in init file when we created first time. Okay. Okay, this is my location of my alert for standby 2. vi alert underscore stb2.sh tail minus f. Okay, alert underscore stb2 dot log. Okay, save this file and then execute it. Okay, so let's create SP file from P file. Okay, let's shut down database to move it on SP file. Now I'll start up Gnomon. So when I start up Gnomon, it will start from the SP file. So now database is shutting down. Okay, so start up